Welcome back, students. In this section, we'll try to understand all about the strategic alliances. The strategic alliances is one of the important concept when we talk about the expansion. Okay. Now, in any company, in any corporate, expansion is important, and whether here we'll try to understand that how the strategic alliances has made an important footstep for any corporate strategy to understand. Okay, here in this section we'll talk about different ideas, examples and all, and we'll also try to understand, taking an example that Parker versus Luxor, where it was a merger acquisition or the strategic alliances, and how this company got benefited through this kind of strategy. What is a strategic alliances? Friendship हो गया, शादी हो गया, जोर जबरदस्ती से शादी हो गया, प्यार से शादी हो गया, अब फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे. So friendship is nothing but strategic alliances. Example: Parker and Luxor. Parker and Luxor. Parker could not sell directly in India as per the then policy 20 years back. Parker came here in the year of I think 1995-94. That point of time rule was that any foreign company or MNC wants to set up a business out here, they will have to tie up with a local company. The reason was so that local company can also understand what is happening in the MNCs and the quality, how to maintain the procedures, manufacturing units, procedures and so forth, so that they can understand. Because in 1992, first the globalization happened. Those people will tell, na, those who have the experience. You tell me, na, that point of time we used to use dhoti and lungi, right? And after that, the moment MNC came, we started using foreign. What is wrong in that? So that means we got little maturity, right? But we are not aware how to dress it, how to wear, what will be the proper. आज भी पता नहीं है बहुतों को. What will be the proper length of the trouser? Am I right or wrong, madam? Same thing. The the reason behind was there that point of time, as per the government's rule and all, that look, our company does not know, or sorry, our local companies that do not know, na, that what is the MNC culture, how they manufacture good quality products. So they will come to know the moment they will do the strategic alliances, friendship. Clear? Parker and Luxor, Star Alliance maybe. The best example what I could remember any point of time, Parker and Luxor, till date, since 1994 or 95, I don't know, till date, almost how, 25, 30 years, 25 years roughly, no problem. Fine. Now, things will come in the next slide, but I'm telling you now, what are the problems of strategic alliances? So these are the strategic alliances advantages, okay? Organizational advantage, economic advantage, strategic advantage, political advantage. Organizational advantage means, as I said you, that strategic alliances helps to learn necessary skills. वही तो बोला ना अभी मैं. In a different manner so that you can remember. Economic. There can be reduction in costs and risk by distributing them across. देखो, see, Parker wants to set up a business out here. Regulation wise, I don't know. Okay, regulation wise, they cannot do directly. They need to do the tie up, organizational tie up with the Luxor. What is the economic benefit? I am not investing huge amount of money suddenly because already my partner is having the existence. I do not need to do the new distribution setup. Economically, little bit saved. Strategically, very nice because in that particular country, in this country, Luxor used to be the one of the good companies who had good reach in the market and all. Strategic. Rivals can join together to cooperate instead of compete. वही तो है ना, लग्जर भी पेन है, पार्कर भी पेन है. पार्कर अगर इधर आ जाता तो राइवल्स बन जाता. They did a tie up, strategic alliances, friendship, happily. Political. Sometimes strategic alliances are formed with a local foreign business to gain entry into the foreign market, either because of local prejudice or local barriers to the entry. वही तो बोला अभी. That is the example of not what I give the example. Regulatory, I was saying, political. I told that it is regulatory. Here it is mentioned political. Correct? So that in the new market, I cannot take an entry without tying up. What are the disadvantages of that? Two things, Baba. You are my friend. I am sharing. You are my chaddi baddi friend, not even friend. Chaddi baddi friend. I am sharing everything with you. So that means you are knowing my inner secret also. Sharing. Problem. Correct, na? So that means Luxor might have known all the technologies of Parker by the time. Surprised? It happened. Hero Honda. They had strategic alliances. Now Hero is different, Honda is different. Second point, it may also create a potential competition. अब हीरो डिफरेंट हो गया, होंडा डिफरेंट हो गया, कंपटीशन बन गया. हीरो होंडा. Will you remember these examples? Hero Honda, strategic alliances, disadvantage. Advantage, Parker Luxor, strategic alliances. There are so many strategic alliances examples out here. Microsoft का है, Intercol का है. So many. That's not a big thing. So many. And that is good to some extent. Strategic alliances do come with some definitely disadvantages and the risk which we have explained. Hope you have understood the concept of this section. It is clarified properly. You have enjoyed. See you in the next section.